Hello everyone to this quick tutorial number 5 on whole forum grading. Now this is the landing page. Since we are going to be looking at forums, in this case I have my activities and I have activities for us, whole forum grading, and if we click on the right we can see that for participants to complete it they must start a discussion, post a reply, receive a grade, receive a passing grade. Now very important to understand the difference between whole forum grading and grading by rating. In the case of whole forum grading, if we go to edit mode to look at the settings, basically what happens is that the settings are pretty much the same. We do need to check here under settings. We need to make sure that, in this case for example, I have created a task that made sense as a group, and we can see it here. So instructions to participants: please take a moment to reflect on the different activities and tools available on the course and that you have encountered: quizzes, glossaries, checklists, books, videos, forums, and more. In your post, 200 to 300 words, please share one activity that really supported your learning. What was it and why did it work for you? Number 2, one activity that you found less helpful or more challenging. What was it and what could be improved? Short piece of advice for future participants on how to get the most out of these tools. Then read and respond to at least 2 peers by highlighting any similar or contrasting experiences and by asking a follow-up question. Now, here where we look at whole forum grading, we're going to choose point. We can choose scale or point, 100 points. Grade to pass, 100 points. But here under completion conditions, then we're going to add requirements, start a discussion, post at least 1 reply, receive a grade for whole forum or rating. In this case, it's whole forum, and a passing grade. We save that. Now, the difference here is that if we apply whole forum grading, we're going to wait until the end of the forum has finished all the activity, and then we're going to look at, I don't know, participant number 1's posts, how many, 1, 2, 3, 4 responses in the forum as a whole, and we're going to give them a grade for all the different posts and all the different interactions. And that's what we can see here. We can see the task, and then we can add a discussion, and once that's been added then we can grade the user. Right now if I click on it, it's going to show that there are no users to grade, but once I click on it and I have users, I can go and check one by one and see how many posts, how many interactions did they do the minimum in the whole forum, as opposed to grading by rating, which is where we grade each individual post that they make. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was clear.